This is Office 365 Home. It gives you the productivity you need with a terabyte of cloud storage to access your files from anywhere. This is Xbox Live Gold. It lets you play with friends all over the world. It also has exclusive deals, including 2 free games a month. This is a $60 gift card for movies, TV shows, music, apps, and Xbox games. These are the friends and family you can call for free in select locations around the globe with Skype Unlimited World. And these are the 2 million Wi-Fi hotspots you can access with Skype Wi-Fi. With Microsoft Work and Play, we've combined the Microsoft products you use every day into one convenient bundle. Now, instead of paying over $500 separately, you can get them all for just $149 a year. And for extra peace of mind, you also get round-the-clock software support. That's morning, noon, or night. Whether you're using it yourself or sharing with your family, Microsoft Work and Play gives you everything you need to be productive, have fun, and stay connected to the ones you love across devices, including Windows, iOS, and Android. That's the beauty of Microsoft Work and Play. It's the one bundle for your digital life.